What if I told you that petrol that you are using is not 100% petrol anymore? Yes, across India, regular petrol is now E20, which is made up of 80% of petrol and 20% of ethanol. But why did the government make this change? Lower pollution, improve India's energy security, and helping farmers by producing the ethanol from crops like sugarcane and maize. Sounds great, right? Well, there's another side. For vehicle designed for E20, it's more cleaner and efficient. But for some older vehicles, they may experience some slight drop in their mileage and should always follow the manufacturer's fuel compatibility recommendations. Now, here is something that many people are talking about, that is E27. E27 is made up of 27% of ethanol and 73% of petrol. Well, there is an important fact. The E27 is not approved by the government yet. It's still under technical evaluation and government hasn't announced any official rollout date. So what does this mean for petrol pump owners? Right now, continue following E20 guidelines. If higher ethanol blends are introduced in the future, oil companies and government may issue updated rules for fuel storage and dispensing and handling. The future of fuel is changing. Staying informed today means staying ahead tomorrow. Subscribe PetroSoft for more fuel industry insights that every petrol pump owner should know.